I need you to give me your attention this period, because the questions we are looking at in this part 15 are really the complex aspect of use of English, right? We are not just going to be doing every day. We are not going to be reviewing nearest in meaning, that is synonyms. We are not just going to be reviewing similar in meaning, nearest in meaning, antonyms, that is opposite in meaning, and all the rest. So in this very part of the series that we have been doing on use of English, we are going to focus on something more complex, right? Which JAMB always picks questions from. We'll be looking at about 20 of them, and I want you to pay great attention. At the end of this video, you will qualify. If you watch till the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question. Why am I giving you these materials, and why do I keep posting videos for you every day? JAMB is not child's play. JAMB is not your WAEC NECO exam, right? JAMB is not the exam that your classroom teacher sets for you. This exam is set by experts that knows how to twist and turn English language, how to twist and turn questions in all your subjects, right? Last year, more than 1.2 million persons failed JAMB, right? So for you to pass, you need extra level of preparation. If you have not begun to prepare, watch this video. I'm sure it's going to inspire you, especially in the area of use, or especially in the area of use of English. Okay, let's start question 1. Identify the grammatically correct sentence. They gave us 4 sentences. Identify the one that is grammatically correct. A, the boy and the girl is playing outside. B, the boy and the girl are playing outside. C, the boy and the girl was playing outside. D, the boy and the girl are playing outside. Of course, the answer is B. The boy and the girl are playing outside. Whenever you see and, the verb, when the conjunction is and, the verb has to be plural, are. Okay, look at question number 2. The subject and the verb must agree in number and person. Identify the correct sentence. She go to school every day. B, she goes to school every day. C, she gone to school every day. D, she going to school every day. I won't answer the question. Okay, the answer is already obvious. The answer is she goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence. Either of the students dash willing to help. Either of the students dash willing to help. Either of the students is willing to help. B, are willing to help. C, we are willing to help. D, have willing to help. Remember, they said identify the option that completes the sentence. I need you to watch the other movies, the other videos we've done on use of English. We have also done videos on Lucky Headmaster, the JAMB novel. I've done videos on chemistry, giving you questions to expect on physics, giving you questions to expect on economics, on mathematics, on other subjects. So if you need me to give you access to those videos we've done, I can give them to you free of charge at the end of this video. If you watch till the end, you can come to the comment section, just mention the name of the subject and tell me to give you the link to all the videos we've done on that particular subject, and I could give it to you. The answer to question 3 is either of the students is willing to help. Either of the students is willing to help. Question number 4. Identify the correct sentence. A, neither of the boys like football. B, neither of the boys likes football. C, neither of the boys liking football. D, neither of the boys liked football. You know why you should pay great attention to these videos is that I keep emphasizing that the videos I make, I take my time out of my schedule to make these videos for you. These are not Nollywood films. This is not one of those comedy films you watch. No, this is not an action film. This is preparing you for your future. I am giving you these videos free. Every day I post, every day I post, every day I post, covering your entire subjects, and I want you to be serious. Watch this video. What you are watching is probably part 15 of our series on English, use of English. So go back and start from part 1. If you watch all the videos I give you, then failing is impossible. Remember, in this channel, our goal is for you to score 300 and above. Our goal in this channel is for you to score 300 and above. 300 and above. 300 and above. Our goal is 300 and above, right? 300. If you claim it, come and tell me in the comment section. I believe you will be among those that will gain admission to into your preferred university. You will be among those that will come back to me with a testimony. You will not be ashamed at the end of this JAMB to return to me and show me your JAMB result. 300 and above. If you claim it, type I claim it. That is why I need you to be extremely serious. The answer is B. Neither of the boys likes football. Choose the correct verb to complete the sentence. A. The principal as well as the teachers dash in the meeting. The principal, JAMB, normally asks this question. Anywhere they give you as well as, then go with is. Anywhere they give you as well as. The principal as well as dash in the meeting. The principal as well as dash were in the meeting, are in the meeting, is in the meeting, have in the meeting. The answer is the principal as well as the teachers is in the meeting. So you consider the first noun, which is singular, the principal. Okay, let's look at question number 6. Okay, choose the correct form in the adjective. This is the dash movie I have ever watched. This is the dash movie I have ever watched. A. Good movie. B. Better movie. C. Best movie. D. Well movie. The answer, this is the best movie I've ever watched. Which of the following is in the comparative degree? He is the tallest boy in the class. She is more beautiful than her sister. This is a big house. They are happy children. You know, we have comparative before separative. Like you get good, better, best. The better is this comparative. So the answer is B. She is more beautiful than her sister. The comparative there is more. Much, more, most. Okay. Number 8. Identify the correct sentence. Identify the correct sentence. Remember, if you watch till the end, you will qualify to get free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllables. Identify the correct sentence. A. This book is more interesting than the other one. B. This book is most interesting than the other one. C. This book is interesting than the other one. D. This book is interesting than the other one. The answer is A. This book is more interesting than the other one. So when you are comparing two things, you use more. When you are comparing three, you use most. Choose a sentence in the positive degree. The road is wider than that one. B. This is the widest road in town. C. This road is wide. D. This road is more wide than that one. The answer is C. This road is wide. It's positive degree. Okay. Identify the superlative degree in the adjective tall. Is it taller? Is it tallest? Is it most tall? Is it most tall or more taller? Of course, it's wrong to say more taller. The answer is D. Tallest. Tallest. Superlative is always the highest. Like good, better, best. Best is the superlative, right? Okay. Are you still following? If the videos I've been making has been helpful to you, let me know. Let me know how my videos have been helping you. It will inspire me to do more for you. Also, if there are several other videos you need me to make that I have not made that you think if I make them, they will help you, also identify them and let me know. I could make them or my staff could do that. Which of the following sentences is incorrect? A. She is more clever than her brother. B. She is the most beautiful this is the most beautiful painting here. Remember they say, which of the following sentence is incorrect? Incorrect. She is more clever than her brother. B. This is the most beautiful painting here. C. He is the best among his peers. D. She is the most cleverer of the two. She is the most cleverer of the two. The answer is D. Cleverer is wrong. Right? The comparative form of bad is dash. A. Worse. B. Baddest. C. More bad. D. Most bad. The answer is worse. Bad, worse, worst. Okay. Number 13. Fill in the blank with the correct form of the adjective. Among the three boys, John is the what? Remember, we are comparing three things now. Three things. When you are comparing three things, you go for the superlative. Among the three boys, John is the dash. A. Taller. B. Tallest. C. Most tall. D. More taller. The answer is B. Because we are considering three things, is among the three boys, John is the tallest. If there were two, you just use taller. Okay. Which of the sentences is in the positive degree? This book is interesting. B. This book is more interesting than the other one. C. This book is the most interesting in the library. D. This book is interestinger than the other one. The correct one is this book is interesting. Simple. Are you still with me? Are you still following? Let's look at questions, JAMB questions on question tags. Complete the sentence with the correct question tag. She sings beautifully. Dash. Doesn't she? B. Don't she? C. Isn't she? D. Hasn't she? The answer is A. She sings beautifully. Doesn't she? I want you to watch this particular video and the other videos we've done, especially the part 14 we did. I want you to watch these videos over and over and over again, right? Watch them over and over and over again. Remember, in JAMB, you have 180 questions and you have only 120 minutes to answer, right? Because of that, you have just 40 seconds to attempt each of the 180 questions. That is why you need to prepare. That is why you need to lock yourself and prepare. Let nothing distract you. Let nothing hinder you. Lock yourself and read. After the JAMB, we can play. After the JAMB, you can party. After the JAMB, you can travel. After the JAMB, you can shut down the town. But right now is preparation. The time now is preparation o'clock. Lock yourself. Take time and read. Some of you go to lesson centers to just while away your time. This will not be your portion. You are not one of those. Your portion is you study, you pass once, and you enter school once. You haven't eaten yet. Question tag. A. Have you? B. Hasn't you? C. Aren't you? D. Don't you? The answer is you haven't eaten yet. So the haven't is in the negative because of the NT. So the question that has to be positive of haven't. That is, have you? Do you understand? There's nothing like has you. There's nothing like aren't you. It is have you. Haven't goes with have you. Isn't goes with is you is. Isn't goes with is. Wasn't go with was. Hasn't go with has. Okay. Identify the correct question tag. There will come to the party. There will come to the party. A. Will there. B. Won't there. C. Wouldn't there. D. Shall there. I won't tell you the answer, so type the answer for me. Choose the correct question tag. I hope you are still with me. Choose the correct question tag. A. Let's go for a walk. A. Will we? B. Shall we? C. Won't we? D. Don't we? The answer is let's go for a walk. Shall we? Let's go for a walk. Shall we? At the end of this video, remember to request for free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question that I'm going to give you. Also, remember, if there is any video you want me to make, feel free to talk to me about it. Also, you want me to give you access, free access to all the videos we've done on Ease of English, on Lekki Headmaster, the JAMB novel, or on biology, on chemistry, on economics, on mathematics, on Igbo language. Anyone you want me to give you access to, just speak up and I could consider it. I am your best friend. I am your best friend. Question 19. Tell me the answer. What should be the correct question tag for number 19? I am your best friend. Aren't I? Aren't I? Is not I? Do I? I won't tell you the answer, so tell me the answer. Question 20. She is the correct. She hardly comes here. Dash. She hardly comes there. Dash. A. Doesn't she? B. Does. Okay, she hardly come here. Comes here. A. Does she? B. Doesn't she? C. Isn't she? D. Has she? Of course, she hardly comes here is on the negative. So the question has to be, does she? She hardly comes here. Does she? Right? In our next video, we will continue. In part 16, we'll continue our series. Now, for you to receive the free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, just do 14. Number 1 is compulsory. Join our YouTube channel is number 1. You can see the option on our channel to join. Click on it, follow the prompts, and join. That is compulsory. That is the first step that will qualify you. Number 2, like this video. It's very important. Just boop the like button. Number 3, share this video. Click on share. Share it here on YouTube. Copy the link when you click on share. Share it on all the X group, on the Telegram channel, all the WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, X groups that will belong to for JAMB candidate. Right? Very, very important. Then, when you have shared this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, then come under this video and type I have subscribed. Come under this particular video and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I've subscribed, that means you have shared this video, you have liked this video, you have joined our YouTube channel, which is compulsory, then you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. And once you comment I've subscribed, I will chat you up and send you all the materials you need free of charge. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it now and watch.